Hello, I'm Kim Sharkey, Operations Officer at the Florida Division of Emergency Management State Watch Office. The following is your daily situation report for February 17, 2009.
The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at Level 3 or monitoring status. All nuclear power plants are operating normally and at 100% capacity. There have been no major energy outages reported for the state of Florida. All airports are open and have normal operations. All ports are open and functioning normally. All major highways in the state are open or will be open within the next 12 hours. There have been no health advisories issued for the state of Florida. No confirmed or suspected major attacks on major computer networks in the state of Florida, and no known border security or migrant issues at this time. And now with your weather report, here's our meteorologist, Amy Godsey.
High pressure position along the eastern seaboard this morning will migrate eastward into the western Atlantic waters by tonight ahead of a developing storm in the plain states. This storm system will begin to tap moisture from the Gulf of Mexico later today and will combine with strengthening jet stream winds aloft to develop strong to severe thunderstorms across the lower Mississippi and Tennessee River valleys. Otherwise, a dry air mass will linger across much of the state today despite increasing cloudiness this afternoon. Relative humidity values will fall below crucial thresholds for several hours across most of the North Florida, where red flag warnings are in effect during the afternoon hours. Increasing clouds this morning will keep high temperatures in the upper 50s in the western panhandle, with 60s expected elsewhere for the rest of north and north central Florida. Developing easterly winds will also bring cloudiness onshore from the Atlantic and the peninsula this afternoon, where highs will generally reach the lower 70s. These onshore winds will also elevate the threat for rip currents along portions of the northeast Florida coast. Strengthening southeasterly winds this afternoon in the panhandle will also increase the threat for rip currents along the southeast facing beaches. The next storm system that will impact Florida will strengthen tonight while moving towards the Great Lakes states. Isolated showers will be possible in the western panhandle as increasing southerly winds bring moisture from the Gulf of Mexico onshore. Cloudy skies and gusty winds will keep lows in the 50s for this region. Partly to mostly cloudy skies elsewhere will allow temperatures to fall into the 40s for the remainder of North Florida, with 50s expected elsewhere except 60s along the southeast coast and Keys. The cold front associated with the Great Lakes storm system will strengthen over the southeastern United States on Wednesday. The Storm Prediction Center has placed most of North Florida in a slight risk for severe weather through Thursday morning, with damaging wind gusts being the primary hazard. As of Monday, the statewide KBDI mean was 491 on a scale of 0 to 800. County KBDI averages across the majority of South Florida remain near or above 600, while all locations west of the Apalachicola River have averages below 300. The next storm system that will impact the state on Wednesday and Thursday will provide 1/2 to 1 inch rainfall amounts for most locations north of the Interstate 4 corridor, with totals less than 1/4 inch for most of Central and South Florida.
Remember to have a plan for you and your belongings through any kind of disaster. To do this, get a plan at floridadisaster.org.
That's all we have for you today. Have a safe day.